3 reasons to not apply in round 3 and apply in round 1 next year. Listen, 1. The schools will have filled their classes significantly by now. Look at it mathematically. Your chances when there are 400 empty seats versus 80 empty seats is very, very different. Second, there is a very strong chance that school will have taken somebody exactly like you. So they say that, you know what, we love your profile, we really like you, but we already have people like you in our class. Come next year. Do you get it? So this is reason number 2. Reason number 3, and I know this, if you're doing round 3, I know you will rush through the apps and it will be a very, very ineffective strategy. Do not do this. And listen, this is for engineers. Applications are not a last minute, last night strategy. It is not like how we cracked engineering colleges. No, don't do this. Round 1 next year. Right now, just have fun. Take it easy and get started up. Start getting up for round 1 next year. Hey, you go rock.